Alright guys, we're gonna go check out another Cars and Coffee event at Pikey's Coffee. Alright, first stop we're gonna get some gas and then we're gonna meet up with the boys. We'll meet up with the team at Home Depot. Alright, so you can see the gas light is still on. I went to the gas station. Guess what? Forgot my wallet. Well, I hope we make it there. I'm sure someone will spot me or something. Yeah, this thing is just too quiet. Can't wait to get exhaust. But first things first, let's break it in. Fuku Burger. Shout out to Fuku Burger. They got meats going on there once in a while. Strip view. You guys, I'll do a ride on the strip pretty soon. Just trying to find the time. I'm also going to shoot my buddy's BMW today, so keep an eye out on that one, that feature. Alright, almost there. Please make it. hate the cold. It's probably in the mid 50s right now. Where they at? Where they at? Hurry up. Just slow. See them. There they are. What's up? Good morning. How are you? What's up, fellas?
How you been?
Alright. How you guys doing?
Fucking sore, bro.
What?
I'm
Good.
No, I'm hurting, dude. That like lactic acid, like that old man didn't work out for me.
Good for you.
Shit, bro. Don't bend over like this. Like,
What's up, brother? How you doing? What's up?
Oh, hey, Mike.
What's up, man?
I didn't know you were driving a bike.
Yeah.
I got some stuff.
Oh, shit. Hell yeah.
So hopefully here soon I'll be joining you.
Alright, for sure. So, this is some of the team members right here. Small portion of us. There's probably, I don't know, 60 or 70 of us. We're called Vegas Elite Supercars. So you will see some features on some of these cars. I'll try to do one by one. When I got the time, when they got the time. It's cute. Alright, so we'll probably be rolling out shortly. It's close by. Is it me or these lights in Vegas just take forever? Here we are. Viper. Sick wrap.
Dude, I gotta figure out something. Gotta kick something off. This piece hit the panic button when I got sideways.
Oh shit.
The car's panic button was going. He's like, what happened?
I saw that shit.
When I hit the fucking corner, I hit another corner. The fucking key hit the fucking button.
Crazy.
Dude, that looked like you stole the car. Yeah, it does look like we going to the back of the fucking store. I'm drifting into the turn.
Alright, first things first, let's get some coffee. Alright, so we're out here again. We got more cars and trucks that showed up. Let's take a look. That pearl on that Maserati, I think it pops. Bluish pearl. Clean Tacoma. New WRX. Shit. Ooh, check this out.
Like it?
What is this thing?
This is
What is it?
1987 Nissan B1.
That's sick. How'd you get this?
Found it. Got it from a car auction site.
Hell yeah. It's like pristine condition too. Shit. Hell yeah. It's a come up.
Aside from some unidentified oil leaks.
Oh, okay. Easy fix for you, right?
Huh?
Easy fix for you, right?
Sure. But no, it works great.
All right. Damn, look at this 749R. It's clean. Full carbon fiber too. Multistrada. Another v4s. Dang, look at those wheels. Sick. Alright guys, so we had a little mishap. Someone walked by, tapped the mirror, Those of you that have Ducatis know that there's no play, no flex. The thing just snapped. But he was cool enough to take care of it. I'll probably upgrade to the Zoma mirrors, the stealth ones, and pick them up on Monday. Shit. This cool little race car, RX-7, rotary powered. Driving around with his fat ass slicks. Sick. V10, alright. Nice. Cool little E30. Alright, this is my boy's BMW i8.
Let me know when you're ready.
I don't even know how to open the door, bro. How do you do it?
Just go ahead. Yeah, and just squeeze it and pull it.
Oh, okay. Sick. Nice.
So what is your YouTube?
It's Michael LV.
Michael L.
Yeah, so this is my boy. You guys make sure to like and subscribe his channel, Bloodfire TV.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. These guys just rolled up. Well, that's about it, guys. You've pretty much seen everything here. I'm gonna head out. Alright, guys, just made it home. Look at this shit. This tape didn't exactly hold. It lasted like a mile, then it started flopping on the road. But like I always say, don't fix it, upgrade it. Zoma mirrors coming soon. Alright, guys, my battery kind of died at the meet, but thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Fuck. This looks better, right?